Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about padding values in Jetpack Compose. This is very small topic but really useful. So let's understand by an example. Here I already created a file padding values. Let's create a composable function that is padding values. Okay, so let me first write some code. After that, I will explain and will tell you when we can use why we have to use padding values. So first I will create a scaffold composable function, and it will provide a warning. So just click on that and it will provide a warning here, but later on we will remove this warning. So why I use scaffold? Because I have to provide a top app bar and a bottom bar for this example. So just call app bar here, top app bar, top bar here, and just provide top app bar something. Provide title and give like text something app title something. So here I provided the top app bar, and let me create a bottom bar something. So just provide the bottom bar, bottom app bar something, and just give the background color something container color to yellow or something blue we can pass. So here I provided top bar and bottom bar, that is fine, there is no issue. And in the body part, because scaffold, when you click on the scaffold, the last parameter will be your composable function, where you have to provide the content, the actual content for you of your application. So let me create a box composable function here, and give max size. Also in the box, create a lazy column and provide some content. Suppose I'm creating 50 items here, and provide text, text it, and modifier, then something. Don't give any padding, just provide padding here, padding vertically, not vertically, 5.dp. From everywhere just provide 5.dp. Okay, and also in the box also create a floating action button. So I'm creating a floating action button here. Just provide here, provide icons dot default dot add something, and in the content description here bitmap, just provide image vector. Now everything is done, and just just provide the alignment of floating action button to the bottom or something, bottom center or bottom right something. So here you can provide modifier dot align to bottom, just provide bottom and simple. So this is the example basically we are using for this purpose. So let me run this and see what is the output of this code. Okay, so when I run this application, here you can see when I run the application, there is a top app bar and a bottom bar, that is fine, and this content is scrollable. This is a lazy column and the content is scrollable, that's fine. Okay, there is no issue with that. But here you can see I also provided a floating action button that is not visible. It is there, but it is not visible. It is hide behind this bottom app bar. Okay, this is the first issue we are facing. And the second thing is, you can see our content is starting from here. You can see our content text to we are starting from text 2, but it should start from text 0, text 1. Where is text 0 and text 1? Basically it is hide behind the top app bar, this bar. And when you scroll, you can see there is a 50 item, but it is visible text 46 only. 47, 48, 49 is not visible. It is there, but it is not visible. It is hide behind this bottom app bar and top app bar. So this is the issue we have in this code. So how we can solve this problem? Okay, so let me tell you how we can solve this problem. So as you can see, I have provided this surplus lint, this warning. Okay, just remove this warning. When you remove this warning, it will say like the okay, content padding parameter is not in use. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? When you click on the scaffold, as you can see, the last parameter content have padding value something. Okay, in their composable function there is a padding values. Okay, so we have to use this padding values somewhere, then that error, that warning will be gone. So how we can use this, let me tell you. Here you provide something padding values here, and you have to use padding values. Okay, so how we can do, just call padding modify and provide padding values here. So when you do the same, you will see when you run this application again, and now you can see the problem is solved. How? Because text 0 is visible now. When you scroll down, uh, like text 49 is also visible, and we can see there is a floating action button at the end here. So this is how the problem is solved. Okay, so what was happened basically, so when you don't provide padding value, it take the whole size basically from top to bottom. Okay, but when you provide padding value, it just subtract the top app bar padding and bottom bar padding, and start after top app bar and before bottom app bar. Okay, so that's the use of padding value. This is very small topic but very useful. Okay, very 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 useful. This is how this topic solve our problem. Okay, so the this the so so this is the example where you can use padding value. So whenever you are creating top app bar and bottom app bar, so make sure to just provide padding values to your parent composable function. So here box is a parent composable function, so make sure just provide padding value here, so that it will solve the problem. Okay, so I hope you understand this, why we have to use padding values.